Every dose of lead is something that can affect a child's brain development. To be safe with lead around the home and paint, you want to know what year your house was built. If your house was built after 1978, it's very unlikely that you would have lead paint in the home. But homes built before 1978, yes, you probably do have some leaded paint in your home. Even if you recently repainted your house and the surface coating is all modern paint with no lead in it, the underneath layers are probably still lead paint. And when that flakes and chips, that gets on the floor, turns into dust, kids crawling around will get a dose of lead. And every dose of lead is something that can affect a child's brain development. The number one concern is remodeling projects. If you're knocking down a wall, if you are scraping paint off of walls, you are creating dust. And that dust will probably have lead in it. Again, if your house was built before 1978, that will get taken up by you. And if you're pregnant, that goes right to your baby. And if you've got crawling creatures on the floor, young toddlers, they are going to be exposed to that lead paint. So you want to do lead-safe remodeling. There's websites from the US EPA on how to do lead-safe remodeling projects so you don't spread the lead everywhere.